So hi everybody, hello and good afternoon from me and Nora. Can you see Nora? Hello Nora. We are going to be making some toys. I will show you what you will need. So Nora's done a runner. So I've got Rio and Humphrey that's joined me at the moment. So you need some rope. So just some rope that's safe for parrots. I got some cups from Wilco's, 2 different sizes. So these didn't cost me anything, absolutely nothing. Rio wants one to play with. So just the rope that cost me, I think it was like £5 for a really big roll. So this is just a little bit of it. So yeah, 2 cups, and we're going to make some toys with the cups and the rope. So you need to stick a hole through the middle there so we can thread the toys. So Rio and Humphrey flew off. They're back in the playroom. The same as what Nora did just a minute ago. Decided not to be with me. So Albert's come to join me. So as I was saying, these 2 cups cost absolutely nothing. I got them from Wilco's. They're both different sizes, great. And then I got the rope, which cost about £5 for a big roll of it. So this is just a little bit of it. So what you do is we're going to cut a hole through the middle to put the rope through, and we're going to make like a big cup toy. Would you like one of these? We're going to make a big cup toy and hang it. So let's see how we get on. It might not work, but let's get on with it. Something that it's going to be great fun for them if it works. So while I was in town today, I got some empty boxes. I don't really care what they were. I wanted them to be flat, but they were prime boxes. I pay a lot of money for prime apparently. So they were selling prime in our shop. These were the empty boxes, and I asked if I could have them. So we've got 3. So I'm going to hopefully put these with the cup toys and make it a little bit more fun. So if it works, let's get on with it. So first of all, I'm going to stick a hole through this box, quite a big one. As you can see, there's a hole in it now. And then I'm going to get on doing the making.